welcome to week 5 of our PE challenge. This week's challenge has you making 3 different paper aeroplanes and seeing how many times you can get it towards your target. Your target could be a bucket or a laundry basket, for example. You will have 1 minute on the clock and then you will record how many you get into your bucket. Now if you manage to get it inside, you get 2 points. Or if you manage to hit the outside of your bucket, you will get 1 point. And you will stand about 5 meters away from your target on your throwing line.